Okay, so this is the notorious WelderUp gas station. I think I built this thing 13 or 14 years ago. So we're gonna hopefully get it up there in the next couple days. We're gonna probably do it in the middle of the night. We're gonna get this thing to Goodsprings one way or another. Okay, so tonight, Sunday night, we were heading down the 15 to haul and transport a building that is entirely too big to take down the highway, but we're gonna do it. And we got our little walkie-talkies. There's gonna be 6 of us with flashing lights and trucks. We're gonna try to get to Goodsprings. It's about 20, might be a little over 20 miles from here. I'm assuming the speed limit that I'll be going, and the wind looks like it's blowing a little bit tonight, which kind of sucks. It's probably gonna take us 45 minutes to an hour to get there. It's been a journey. I just didn't want to leave my gas station here. If I leave it on the property, it's gonna get demoed and tore down. And it's become a historical monument in Las Vegas, according to the maps. So now I want to save it and take it to Goodsprings so it'll live another life up there all along. And hopefully I don't go to jail tonight. Let's go.
Ready to go?
Yeah, it's either now or never. Yeah, I can't see shit. I'm hoping I don't take any out. But yeah, keep an eye on me back there, Kash. You can go ahead, Chase. Go ahead and roll it. How are we looking if I'm center, Kash? Does it on these 2 lanes?
You're definitely favoring your right side a little bit more, but you fit. Like right now, you're dead center and you're inside the mayo and mustard.
Okay, cool. This is probably, I think I'm gonna run the center of the slow lane, and that ought to let me hang off into that bar ditch just a little bit. It should be good, but you'll tell me when I get on there.
Alrighty.
The biggest concern is the oncoming traffic on Las Vegas Boulevard. So, Billy, if you can run up to the bridge now, past the bridge, and let me know what it looks like. I'm gonna wait here until you get there to tell me what's going on. And Stan, if you could go to the road, there's another one before Speed Vegas there on the left. Make sure no one comes on there either.
Alright, you got 2 coming up from the St. Rose, but they're turning on the road.
Okay, haul ass up there to bridge.
You got 1 car coming down right now.
Eric, maybe blast up there with these guys if you can, and just block any traffic.
You ready to go? You want me to block this and stay behind you, or go forward?
Go forward, because I think we're clear here. How are we looking up there, Billy? This little piece of shit. We got range.
I think your little radios might be out of range.
Alright, maybe stay in range then, Eric.
Gotcha.
Stan, do you got me?
There's a cop inside Speed Vegas.
There is?
He's sitting inside Speed Vegas, but you're clear, there's no traffic. You got 1 car.
Chase, there's supposedly there's a cop in Speed Vegas parking lot right now. I'm trying to decide what to do right now. Okay, let's, the only thing is I know it's gonna take us a while to get under that bridge, and I know that cop's gonna see us maybe down there, but shit, alright. Let me think about what we should do here. Alright, well, let's roll. Alright, fuck it, block it then. Block it. Okay, Chase, I'll let you know as soon as we're clear because I had to call Billy on his phone. We ran out of range.
Sounds good.
Okay, roll. It's blocked. Let's go.
Car coming to our right.
All right, fuck you. You can wait. Okay, Stan, are you at the bridge? Stan, are you up there?
Up here. South of the speedway.
Are you by the bridge yet? I need eyes on that bridge.
Let me get to the other side. I'll pull over and walk out.
Go ahead, Chase. How we looking, Cash? Alright, I don't have anybody telling me if I'm gonna hit the bridge or not. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, so far so good. You were probably right. You got 4 inches.
Yeah, it gets shorter at this next bridge. You made your 4 inches.
Nice fish. How we like them.
Well, we don't know yet. This one right here gets tight. All right, let's rock and roll. Okay, at this point, we made it through the bridge. Now it's time to party. I got my boys in front of me, my boys behind us. Let's get on the freeway and see if we can get up to speed. All right, Chase, we're probably gonna have to, once we get on the freeway, pick the pace up. I don't have a speedometer, but I'm gonna try to shoot for 40, 45 miles an hour.
All right, we'll pick up the speed. Just let me know where you like it, I guess.
Sounds good. All right, let's rock and roll.
If it makes you feel any better, so it looks super secure.
We'll see how it feels at 45. Go ahead and pick up the pace up there. I got to get a run at this so we can get in merging with traffic. All right, let's go.
Now it's me, I'm gonna take the rear. That semi behind you. Semi's coming in hot.
Don't get rear-ended. I'm cold sweating. Go ahead, Chase. Cash, am I in that lane or am I good?
You got about 8 inches of overhang into that lane, but I'm right behind you halfway in it, so.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. I'm just gonna keep it about right here then. What the fuck are they doing? Jesus Christ. We're gonna get fucking in a wreck, dude. Our camera crew's gonna run us the fuck off the road. This thing's gotta be over 12,000 pounds.
I figured it was 12 to 15.
Yeah, it's a lot of weight on this trailer up front. Hope we make it and don't break this fucker in half. At this point right now, the truck drivers are flying by me at 80 miles an hour. I'm trying to get up to speed, probably sitting at about 40 miles an hour right now. So it is a little sketchy because you can't see them coming up on you.
Boy, this coordination was lit.
I think this one in the trailer, like this one and the trailer are both Montana plates. Like they hauled that son of a bitch all the way down from Montana. That was the pole, so now it'll be a little easier now that we're up here until we get to Goodsprings. Then when we get to Gene, it's a pull all the way up into there. How we doing, Cash? Anything flying off this son of a bitch at 50?
No, sir. Smooth sailing.
Oh, shit. At this point right now, there's a semi truck broke down on the shoulder of the road, and I'm driving with the building in the shoulder of the road. So now it's a matter of getting over into the next lane, and of course I can't see with my mirrors, so I'm strictly going on whatever Kash and Chase are telling me. All right, Chase, we're gonna come to the left a little.
Go ahead and come over. He's right on that edge.
All right, I'm gonna come over a little more. Is anybody in my left lane?
I got it blocked. Come on over.
Being we're cautious. No one's trying to pass us on the right, are they? I'm coming over to the right lane. Okay, we get through here. I'm gonna try to pull over where those trucks park by Starbucks and wait for Jay. He actually should be here. He just called me, so he should be here. But we're gonna have to wait for him to go clear the road.
Got a car coming down.
I just want to make it up there to the... Oh, that's him. That's Jay right there.
Let him know you're the guy with the big house on the back. Yeah, I'm sure he doesn't see us.
Oh, that's me.
All clear on the inside.
Okie dokie. I think he's gonna go clear the road for us, so we might want to wait up here. Hey, brother. How we looking?
Looks clear all the way up, man.
Okay, cool. We're just gonna rock and roll then.
Smokey, this is Bandit. We're looking clean and clear. Keep that hammer down and smoke a rolling. Let's get this load to Goodsprings. Yeah!
That's a big 10-4 with the old smoky log cabin on the back of the flatbed. We're gonna make it clear.
All clear up here so far.
Hell yeah, this is Darnell Heavy Haul. Anywhere you want in the country, we'll do it. Illegal, sideways, upside down, backwards, you name it.
Popping a wheelie the whole way. Midnight moving.
What the hell, Darnell overhauling? We'll get your shit anywhere in the country for half the price.
The cover of darkness transportation.
Do it right in the middle of the night with Darnell Heavy Haul.
Yeah, bail bond must be purchased before transportation.
Have your attorney prepaid before we start.
We can have eyes on these power lines.
They should be good. They should be 18 feet. I measured them. Oh, we made it under that one, I think. Isn't there? Where is it? The power line. I'm just gonna park in the middle of the road and we'll just start ripping down the fence and shit. Let's hold up right here. Let's all jump out, and I think there's a section of the fence that's already been cut that we can just roll back. Okay. All right, I guess I'll try to rock it in there. Watch the legs, because I don't know what the landscape, how it's gonna do over this shit, but and then maybe that hole. So my goal is to go like that and then kind of do that. Well, I just want to get it in. Hold that one, go down. gate? Yeah, I'm just saying we're fucking here.
We're in. Right there.
Fucking hee-haw, god damn it.
That's good.
Is it?
Yeah. You want it on the gate? Pretty fucking close.
Good.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Worst case scenario, I can unload it with the forklift and move the trailer where I want, and then.
Yeah, we'll have to do a little bit of not much.
Okay, cool. Well, fuck it. We're here. Let's just put the fence back up and get the fuck out of here. Well, we successfully made it. See that shit? There it is in place. That's where it's going to sit in Goodsprings. Talk about bringing excitement to Goodsprings.
Yeah.
They're going to wake up tomorrow morning. There's going to be a gas station sitting in the middle. They're going to be like, what in the mother F is going on over here? But it's pretty close. I mean, I'm within 6 inches of being where it needs to be. So definitely going to be a addition to the town. I can't wait to see the neighbors just freaking what? You watch. There's going to be some shit going on. Oh, I'm going to be on the front page of the Goodsprings Gazette. They'll be like, some hillbilly brought a gas station and put it in the middle of town. Okay, it was a little sketchy at first when we started off because they radioed ahead and said that there was a cop sitting at the at one of the local speedways here. I was like, I've come too far. Let's just roll with it. We rolled right on by. I think he just waved at us as we went by, like, good luck. We made it barely underneath that bridge. That was one of my biggest concerns. And then on the freeway, it's just trying to put together my speed and how fast I felt like it could take and what it would take. You know, you're just dragging wind down the road. I mean, that's a big wind break going down the road. I mean, I think at one point we hit 50 miles an hour. So most of the time we cruised, it was between 35 and 45. I think we hit 50 a couple times. So it pulled great. Nothing happened. Everything was successful all the way through. And I'm so glad it's here because I've been stressed down about getting this thing out here for so damn long. You know, I haven't been able to sleep at night thinking of power lines, and I've measured every power line in Goodsprings from here to Las Vegas to my house there. So it's been a journey, but no risk, no blue chips. So here we are. We're gonna have the little gas station in Goodsprings. It's gonna look really good right here. Right across the street, kitty corner here is the original post office from probably 1900. This little corner, I just want it to look good. When you come to town, I want it to look like it did back in the 20s and 30s. This is a very active piece of ground. The Goodsprings Ford garage sat right here across the street. There was the only gas in town was right here. So that's why I wanted to put the gas station back up. It was part of the general store. They didn't really have a gas station, but they had the general store with the gas pump. I want that to be here, and then we'll have the general store going back up here soon. So it's gonna be fun. It's really cool to see this thing here. It was a success. Good thing I had my kids and some good help out here to help us get it here, but we made it. So I'm gonna go to IHOP and eat pancakes right now and sleep in tomorrow. So see you later.